No, there are quite a few of the questions. Means there are questions which relates to some genuine concerns that you might have in terms of some of these kind of things that you just mentioned. That I have gone through this. Do you think that I will need to behave in any different manner with the set of people who come into the institute? Because we have always seen people from this institute as nothing less than Superman and gods. So is there actually something of that sort? Are there any specific subjects or specific skills or specific competencies that I can pick in the next few months that I have to leverage the possible opportunity, not just even this time, but in life in general? Then if I do not make through in this particular interview, should I see it as a failure, or is there a better way to look at it, right?
Okay.
How do I basically counter the response that I will get from my friends and peer if I fail? Is that a failure for
So
me?
has there been opposite experience also? Somebody who was in the middle asked something and then went away कि नहीं इसको नहीं लेना है. Has that happened?
That's a very interesting question.
Because
See, there are some of the people who ask very superficial questions.
yeah, just पूछने के लिए.
राइट मतलब वो हमारे क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन बोलते हैं ना, जिसमें कि मतलब आप क्लास में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो उसके आपके नंबर मिलते हैं, तो वो उसी बेसिस पे वो आ जाते हैं. तो वो हमारे मतलब कोई भी क्वेश्चन गलत क्वेश्चन नहीं होता है. सबसे बड़ा मजे का चीज जो मैं सबको बताता हूँ कि आपको लर्निंग को अगर देखना है तो आपको लर्निंग को यू शुड लर्न इट एज अ सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस rather than a series of answers, right? Because a question doesn't have any ego. A question doesn't have any right or wrong. A question is a question.
Yeah, true. The answers will be automatically right.
Answers are ego. The biggest challenge I have with the answer that it comes with a full stop, right? And after full stop, there is nothing.
Right.
A question mark ends with a question mark. A question ends with a question mark.
All possibilities.
Right? Thinking of a lot of things, right? So there is nothing called a wrong question as such, but if you have asked an ill-thought or under-thought question and you can't go through, like for instance, whatever this question that person asked, and he didn't have the basis to say that why he has the sensitivity to this kind of a thing, and I would say कि यार ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है तुम,
इसे सुन लिया इसने. हाँ,
ये मतलब किसी ने कभी तुमको, अच्छा अरुण सर के क्लास में बैठे थे, अरुण सर ने ऐसे एग्जांपल बोल दिया तो तुम यहाँ पे मेरे पे चिपका दिए उसको.
There has to be something. Yeah. And it will be very visible to the interviewer अगर की background है कि नहीं.
Right. Matlab, if we take one step back here and let us kind of just put the picture that an interviewer wants to see of a candidate, of a successful candidate, what would I really want to observe? What would I really want to see in that particular person? Right?
Right.
And all of this is basically the fourth thing that I'm saying is basically to help me piece that picture as well as possible. Because 15 minutes में मैं कितना समझ पाऊंगा किसी के बारे में.
True.
Right. और उसमें भी कंडीशनल चीज है कि भैया आज मेरा सुबह नाश्ता ठीक से नहीं मिला मेरे को, या मैं कल रात को कुछ कर रहा था that was not really very comforting, or I have gone through a personal tragedy in the recent past, or whatever. There are so many things that could create a contextual gap in the real me and the person who is giving the interview, or rather responding to an interview, right? तो मेरे को तो ये देखना है कि भैया देखो, एक तो अगर आपने ये इंस्टीट्यूट चुना है तो ये इंस्टीट्यूट आपने इसीलिए चुना है कि दिस इज एन इंस्टीट्यूट व्हिच हैज बीन promoted by all the media, everybody around, as an institute which gives you multi-million salaries and takes you to the places, or do you have actually an individual idea and a thought about what you want to do here? Right? I also want to understand the presence, the awareness, the mindfulness of that particular person, because management means, एक और चीज जो मैं बोलता हूं लोगों को, which is very simple to understand, that management is a leadership discipline. It is not a discipline which is basically about taking orders from others and executing it. Eventually, you are going to make good out of this particular opportunity if you show leadership qualities.
You're supposed to make things happen as a manager. And
You are supposed to make things happen against the challenges. Means you have the same half chances that everybody had, right?
Yeah.
So you need to show me some things which is basically around that I have the beginnings, I have the basis to be a leader, right? And leadership can be learned and leadership can be developed over a period of time, but it needs that mental frame, that the vision of the bigger things, belief and conviction that you need. You need a lot of empathy and compassion. So these are some of the things that I would like to really understand, right? Then I also want to understand how have you used your life so far. So maybe you were not so aware and you did not really do well in your life in, say, an academics, or say, you don't have any national awards or big certificates to show, but you have to show me some sincerity, some persistence, patience, some sort of a visibility. अगर आप ऐसे ही आ गए कि भैया सब मेरे पड़ोस के बच्चे ने भी दिया था तो मैं भी आ गया करके काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, तो देन यू आर not really part. And other than that, I also want to see extreme level of seriousness. I'm not using the word sincerity here, extreme level of seriousness, that I am dedicated, I want this, and I will basically, I have done good enough to deserve this.
Right.